Apps not working. Apps performance disclaimer. For the best performance, use only apps available in the official App Store. Third-party or externally downloaded apps may not work properly and could affect your TV's performance. For such app issues, please contact the respective app's support team. Google TV. Method 1. Clear data and force stop the app. Step 1. Go to all settings. Step 2. Select apps. Step 3. Select See all apps. Step 4. Select the app that is not working. Step 5. Select Clear Cache. Select OK. Step 6. Select Clear Data. Select OK. Step 7. Select Force Stop. Select OK. Step 8. Select Open to relaunch the app. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Step 1. Go to the Google TV home page. Press the home button on your remote. Step 2. Go to the Apps tab. Step 3. Go down the menu to your desired app from your Apps section. Step 4. Press and hold the OK button on the remote to view app details. Step 5. Select View Details. Step 6. Select Uninstall. Select OK. Once the uninstallation is completed, let's search for the same app from the App Store and install it again. Step 7. Scroll down and select the search bar under your apps. Step 8. Type the name of the app and select the search icon. Step 9. Select the app. Step 10. Select Install. Method 3. Reset the TV and install the app. Step 1. Go to all settings. Step 2. Select System. Step 3. Select About. Step 4. Select Reset. Step 5. Select Factory Reset. Step 6. Select Factory Reset. Step 7. Select Erase Everything. Once the reset is being done, TV will convert to its original factory settings and will go to the TV setup page. Once the initial setups are completed after the reset, let's search for the same app from the App Store and install it. Step 8. Scroll down and select the search bar under your apps. Step 9. Type the name of the app and select the search icon. Step 10. Select the app. Step 11. Select Install.